Hello, so this is in relation to works that have been ongoing at Harry's Bar in Stoke. So up to date we've been quite busy at the place. We've closed all this section off here for stop rough sleepers sleeping underneath, but that was over a year ago, way before the coronavirus. So as we come round, we've done a lot of works on the front for trying to stop the damping grassy. So down the lead potteries that are in the lead valleys up there have all been cleaned out. All the weeds that were growing on the front have all been hacked down and taken out and patched up and treated. So as we come round, so we've done a lot of strengthening work down the sides here on the internals, which I'll show you as we get in the building. So as we start off with this section here, this was all a single story annex to the building, so it had a flat roof on there. It used to have a metal fire escape going up, as you can see where the step runs there on the runners. That was all a flat roof that was in there that went through. This roof here was part pitched and part flat roof at the back. All that's been fetched off, brand new roof installed, rubber membraned, insulated, new joists. It was all rotten. We then filled the old skylights that were in there to make all that nice and weather tight. So if we go inside, we can see that a little more. We can't go inside there yet at the minute. But here, this was all had one big large roof on. This was actually part of the building that was in there. So where all this brickwork here, all this block work, that was all open. So basically that went through there. On top of there, where that block work is now, that was actually a toilet block. You can see the little hand blower there up top. That was where you used to dry your hands in the toilet. So all this here has been demolished, everything you see here. The roof taken off. We've done all this brickwork here. Like I say, that's a brand new roof. I'll get that part opened up so we can have a look inside so you can see there. All this has been re-blocked up to bring it level. All that there is brand new. We've gone and blocked all that up internally. Stuck a new lintels in for these openings because there's a window there, a window there. We've tied in all this brickwork here. So all the block work and the brickwork was loose and collapsing there. So we formed a new opening there for a window, a new door opening there for a doorway that goes through. Same as there, there's a new door opening there that's been formed. That one's been blocked up. There was a door opening here, that's been blocked up there. So as we come round into this part of the building here. So this was the old kitchen. There was a wall here, that's all been demolished. All this has been demolished through. So as you look up, you can see there, this is a brand new floor that we've stuck in. So that's that there was all rotten. Basically we took out the whole floor, the floor joists and everything, put new hangers, new bearers in. That comes all the way down here. All this has been demolished down. There was a wall here, a wall there. That's all been taken out. And again, all the flooring's been put in to strengthen that. What we have got to do, this flooring is actually holding this part of the wall up. We're going to demolish that wall and then rebuild all that wall all the way up. So as we go back through into the main part of the building, all the old rotten floor here, this has all been taken up, been replaced, new floor joists, new flooring taken in here. As we come back through here, we can can see we formed the opening. That'll basically be the back entry through into this part of the building. And that doorway remains. And what we've done is we put a the new staircase in there. So that goes up onto the first floor, and then it'll carry on up to the second floor. As you come here, you can see all the block work here that's been new and all that's been tidied up, supporting all these lintels that have gone in. There was a metal staircase here. They used to come up there and run up there. That's all been taken down, and that now has been infilled there, that floor section as we speak. So all this here will be all floored in, as we've got the new staircase there into that part of the building. As we come down here, again there was another big steel staircase there. You can see the outside of the runs where the track is. So that's all gone. New flooring in there as per the plans. So that'll make that secure. Let's come down here with these skylights have all been infilled. This is where the new flat roof was put in. This one and the one over here. Behind that doorway there, we've bricked all that up. That's all been done. So if we have a wander, we'll carry on through on the downstairs. So everything's all got stripped out, all the bar and everything. So we demolished all the old outriggers that were all there. That's all temporary boarded up now. Stop anybody getting in. As we come through here, this whole roof has been taken off and replaced. New rafters and ceiling joists and bearers, everything going in, new wall plate. We've bricked up the old opening that was there. That's all been tied in. So as you come through here, you can see this bit here as well. Carried on with a new supporting roof. So all that's been done. We'll come back out the building to a little bit of a rabbit warren. So as you can see, all this area here, this used to have a staircase coming up, and this was again access to the two rooms up there with a flat roof. It's all been flat and demolished and made safe. I'd say that's all the new roof that's on there, all the opening there that's been formed, all the block work. Probably best down this end, John, you'll see through better here. So you can see the new roof's gone on there. That's all new lead, all the coper's taken off and redone. New fascias. That was an old door opening there. That's all been bricked up. Now waiting for the window going there. This is all getting render coated, so once it's all done and all the openings are tied in, if you want to go back